Hi friends and welcome to the fourth episode of Learning Python. In this episode, we are going to learn about different arithmetic operations that you can perform in Python and how you can use Python as a calculator. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this, we are not going to use the native VS Code. Rather, we are going to use the Python shell. For that, you can open your terminal from here and you can click New Terminal. Once your terminal opens here, what you need to do is type in here Python. You can open your PC's terminal by Windows plus R and typing CMD here. Once you type CMD, you can also hit enter. So this is our PC's terminal and this is our PC's terminal running in VS Code. You can use either of them. I am going to use my PC's terminal for a better view. So here is my PC's terminal. I can just maximize it so you are able to see it clearly. What you need to do to open the Python shell is you need to type in here Python. Once you have opened your Python shell, you will see your Python version here. Once you see your Python version, this means that you have opened your Python shell correctly. So now, let's see how we can do different math operations in Python. If I take a random number which is 12 and then I want to add this to 91, what would I do? I would type the add sign and I'm going to type here 91. The answer for this is 103. So let's see what does Python display. As you can see, Python is showing our answer as 103. You can perform many calculations in this. You can also multiply using the asterisk symbol. I can show you. If I multiply 9 by 81, I would get the answer as 729. If I want to divide, I can also divide. I will divide 30 by 6. We can use this symbol for dividing. Now if I hit enter, I will be able to see as 5.0 because this is the answer when we divide 30 by 6. You can perform very tough calculations also in Python. If I enter a random number and I divide it by a random number, I would be able to obtain the answer very easily. In this way, Python can be used as a calculator. You can do many types of equations in Python. You can also do many equations together and Python will instantly give the answer for your question. Like you can see, I have typed a random equation and if I hit enter, I will be getting the answer. But as you're able to see, this is some error which is happening because I have put some extra zeros. So if I remove this, I would probably get the answer correctly. As you are able to see, if I enter this, I will get the answer which is 18 point and some random float digits. This way you can use Python as your native calculator. It can be done using the shell, or if you want, you can also do it in VS Code. So if I exit my command prompt and come to my VS Code, I will make a file with name cal.py. Now if I open this file, I am going to type in here 12 plus 91. Now if I run this code, I won't see any output, and the reason for this is that I haven't printed anything in my Python code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the print command besides my equation and I'm going to log this equation in a pair of brackets. And now if I run it, I will obtain the answer which is 103. This is how you can use Python as a calculator in your VS Code as well as in your terminal. In the next episode, I am going to explain you about typecasting and also will discuss about multiple variable assignments. If this video helped you out, like this video and share this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more Python related videos. And if you have any queries, you can drop your question in the comment section below and I will try my best to reply to your question. See you in the next episode.